Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas here with the stock of the day and a little bit of a different take on the stock of the day, okay? So PACB, P-A-C-B, we saw this in the we saw this after hours, had some news after hours, and we saw this in the pre-market, okay? And this showed up on probably my favorite scan, the PACB, the 10-day daily breakdown. You notice PACB at 9:31 at 13.95. That was a suggestion to take a short there, okay? So you can see right here, I got this giant pointer going. Hopefully it's not too bad. So you can you can see right there, it got down to 13.84, and then all of a sudden it popped up, came back down, and then it broke down through 14 again. And I said, okay, right there, in fact, sorry, this pointer is a little bit crazy. Right there, I thought, okay, now it's ripe for a short. I got into the short at 13.94, yeah, 13.94, and I thought that maybe now this is really going to run because there's really no resistance when you look left. And then look what happened afterwards. So as I said in the room, I said, but I've got a very tight stop. If it got anywhere near 14, I was going to be out of it. Remember, I'm in at 13.94. So yes, I took about a 6-cent loss, and look what happened afterwards. And so, you know, as I stress it, we always stress in the room the importance of having a stop and obeying it. You know, it's easy to put a stop in, but sometimes it's hard to obey it because you think, you know what? This is maybe a momentary blip. It's going to go move up, and then it's going to come right back down. So instead of a 6-cent loss on my trade, that could have turned into almost like a dollar loss, which would, you know, you don't want. So again, the importance of placing a stop, knowing where you're going to get out if the trade doesn't work, but then also as important, obeying your stop, not letting your ego, don't get stubborn. Again, don't let your ego get into the way of it. All right, there have been other interesting things that have happened, but I wanted to point that out because we stress in the trading room the importance of placing stops all the time. Okay, I want to get back in. If you have any questions for me, and by the way, in the email you're getting, you will see that there is a promo code right now, MLK20. You'll get 20% off. The holiday is on Monday. Martin Luther King Day is on Monday, so we've got a 20% off special right now, MLK. You'll see it in the email you're getting. So have a great evening, everybody, and we'll see you tomorrow at 8 o'clock Eastern. Bye-bye.